Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose, back with another video for a job that is hiring on Indeed.com. Now this job is called Krystal. This company is called Krystal Griggs Foods Incorporated, and the job role for this job will be a call center remote sales representative, and it's based out in Dothan, Alabama. It's a remote position, and the pay for this job will be $25 an hour. It's a full-time position, and they are also hiring for part-time position time as well. Now, the requirements for this job will be are you looking for this is it right here. When you're looking for a good job, you'll need to think about all the requirements. Now this requirements, what is this? Must have access to a quiet, private working environment that is free of distractions and external back noises, reliable internet connection with minimum capabilities of 10 megabits per second upload speed, 40 megabits per second download speed. All necessary equipment will be provided by this company, you guys. They will be provided by this company called Krystal Griggs Foods Incorporated. And so we go scroll up to the top again, and we're going to look into the benefits of this job. It's a flexible schedule. Health insurance is available for this job, one of the benefits, and work from home is another benefit. Now the responsibility goes as being a call center remote sales representative is answering incoming calls with goal of acquiring new customers, providing pricing and product information to callers, providing an exceptional customer service experience with every interaction. Attend any scheduled phone or video calls with team and supervisor, excuse me. Offline activities as assigned, other responsibilities as assigned. Now the qualifications and experience for this job will be a minimum of 2 months experience in a sales or customer service environment. Depending, you have to be dependable, goal-oriented and self-motivated, organized, detailed, and ability to multitask, strong oral and written communication skills, customer-focused, results-oriented, sets and achieves goals, team-oriented, works well in a group to achieve success. Successful completion of all assessments, background checks, and drug screenings. Ability to work from home for a majority of the workday. MS Office application experience preferred, and a high school diploma or GED. So this job and this company is hiring. Once again, they posted this job 3 days ago, and the pay for this job would be $25 an hour, and it's a full-time job position. They're hiring for two types of levels, full-time and part-time. And the pay is $25 per hour, you guys. Can't beat that. So that'll be all for this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, and turn on that notification bell. And I will see you guys on the next one. And never give up. Stay motivated. Keep that train on the track. See you later. Bye.